Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic6 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Just go to the contacts. Now let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, and now tap on edit. Let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. And all we have to do is to tap on this camera icon. Now we can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app, so you will be able to immediately take a photo of someone who's in front of you, or we can choose it from the gallery. So let's tap on it, let's tap on the photo and tap on the stick icon. And now in this step, we can change the position of the photo. We can also zoom it in or out. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So just tap on tick icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, the photo has been assigned. If you're happy with the results, remember to confirm everything with the tick icon again. And this is how our contact will look like with the photo. Of course, you will be able to see it on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.